Hey there, tech enthusiast. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of robotics and AI, where NVIDIA is making some groundbreaking moves. You know, it's fascinating how AI is transforming the physical world around us, and NVIDIA is at the forefront of this revolution. So, the big news is that NVIDIA is collaborating with a bunch of robotics heavyweights like ABB Robotics, FANUC, KUKA, and many more. These companies are using NVIDIA's technology to create and deploy physical AI on a massive scale. What makes this really interesting is the potential for AI to revolutionize industries, making every company a robotics company. From manufacturing to healthcare, AI-powered robots are becoming the new norm. NVIDIA has unveiled some impressive tools to accelerate this transition. The NVIDIA Cosmos world models and Isaac simulation frameworks are like the building blocks for creating intelligent robots. These tools allow developers to train and validate robot behaviors in virtual environments, which is a game changer for safety and efficiency. Personally, I think this is a huge step towards making AI more accessible and reliable for real-world applications. But here's the kicker: NVIDIA is not just providing tools, they're fostering an entire ecosystem. They're partnering with industry leaders to integrate their AI into various sectors. For instance, Skilled AI is working with ABB Robotics and Universal Robots to deploy AI across different industries, making automation more adaptable. This is a prime example of how strategic partnerships can drive innovation and bring AI to the masses. One detail I find fascinating is NVIDIA's collaboration with Disney. They're using AI to train robots for Disney's Olaf and BDX droids, making these characters more interactive and engaging. It's a fun application of AI that shows its potential to enhance our entertainment experiences. NVIDIA is also committed to supporting startups and the open-source community. Their Inception program provides resources and connections to robotics pioneers, ensuring that the benefits of AI reach far and wide. This is crucial for fostering innovation and creating a diverse ecosystem of AI solutions. In my opinion, what NVIDIA is doing is more than just business, it's shaping the future of technology. By bringing together hardware, software, and partnerships, they're enabling a world where AI and robotics seamlessly integrate into our daily lives. This raises a deeper question: how will AI continue to transform our physical world, and what new possibilities will it unlock? So, there you have it. NVIDIA's journey into physical AI is a captivating story of collaboration, innovation, and the power of AI to reshape industries. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the fascinating world of technology and its impact on our lives.